Are you truly ready to transform your reality? This isn't just another video. In fact, I challenge you to watch until the end. Because what I'm about to reveal here isn't something you easily come across. It's the key piece that changed the game for hundreds of people in the financial markets. Now I'm giving you a choice. You can leave now, stay in your comfort zone, and miss out the opportunity to understand what's behind real results of our VIP community. Or you can stay watching till the end and discover how the right strategy can take you to levels or never imagined. The decision is yours, but I guarantee those who stayed until the end never looked back. Welcome to the Premium Community 2.0. Here I share 100% free everything I have learned in the finance markets, with real strategy and 100% live trades. In Premium Community, you gain access to exclusive signals ROM, N1 and M5, alright? To trade with precision. Additionally, I provide a complete course, an exclusive ebook, and daily support to ensure your active, consistent results. Guys, the results speak louder than words. See what the community has to say. The print one. Today alone, Dimas hit 13-0 with the VIP community. Look the other one, the second. Sophia reached her target, $200 to the account. Look, this is amazing. And Britain 3. AG surpassed 300 in profits, and just last week he withdrew $9. Guys, you can be part of this too. I don't sell courses, mentorships or paid signals. I live exclusive of financials markets and share everything for free. If you would like to support me, simple, leave a like, comment in those, or share the channel with a friend. That makes a huge difference and motivates me to keep delivering the best content possible. On my YouTube channel, I've organized playlists to make our learning journey easier. Okay? We start with the playlist of the best strategies and see how to apply tactics that truly work, what practice, and come back to share your results with me. I trade live every day, showing every analysis and decision in real time. There is no secret here. Total transparency and focus of consistent results. Unlike the gurus online, I teach and trade live, so you can see everything in action. Out of this, within your reach, and the best part, it's 100% free, guys. Click in the link in the description of the first pinned comment to join Premium Community 2.0 right now. See you in the live sessions and exclusive growth.